Before the advent of internet, before Google search engine ever came on board, human beings have always had the need to run to one Ifa, one oracle, one herbalist, or I don't want to say one juju or the other. Now, this is because human beings always have the need to want to get smarter ways to do things. Chatgpt coming on board as the new and latest oracle will not be the first, and like we all see, since its release in November, it will not be the last oracle. Now let me explain to you why this oracle topic is coming on board. Now let me show you a message I received recently from one of a close group of librarians in Delta State, and one of my lecturers asked a question, and I want to read that question to you right now. Join me, let's see. So, let us read this together. Think of this. When AI, an inanimate object programmed to act as animate object with all the sense organs, does the critical thinking, what then is the role of human animate object in critical thinking? Critical thinking is a component of knowledge creation, invention, and quality research. What then is human use of the brain? For example, in the early 70s, Professor Olulonge of UI Computing Center then developed IFA program in his PhD. The IFA is a program to foretell future issues by oracle to mimic herbalist reports about issues of life. The prof later established the Department of Computer Science and used his knowledge to work in Saudi Arabia for 5 years. Now, if AI does what human can do, then critical thinking will give way to AI and expert systems. What is your view to this as a citizen and staff of a developing nation? This very important question was asked recently by one of my lecturers. One of those lecturers who taught me in my undergraduate days about ICT in libraries. Now, without what he taught me then, I would never have known the things I know right now about technology. So the big question now is, if AI takes over, if AI begins to do the thinking for us, where is the place of critical thinking amongst human beings? What is the state of our mentality? And this is just what the question is talking about. Now, this is how I would respond. In one of my recent webinars, I proposed a collaborative approach towards this big disruptive elephant called artificial intelligence. In that work, I recommended that librarians have a very receptive perspective towards AI rather than being protective, rather than having a fighting approach towards this technology. And one of the reasons I recommended this approach is not far-fetched. Human beings have always had one reason or the other to run to one Ifa or one oracle in quotes or the other for solutions. I recall my university librarian, how she would narrate countlessly to us her experience of traveling several miles just to get access to information when she was much younger as a librarian. Now, this experience of hers can be likened to that of running to an oracle, because every time she returned from such trips with loads of information she had gotten from the internet, everyone admired her for what she was doing because she consulted a source greater than just mere books. She wanted to work smart, so she took an extra effort to learn about how to leverage IT, computer, for our own good in meeting the needs of the various kind of users that visit her library at the time. In my presentation at that webinar, I also went further to compare AI abilities and human abilities. Now, there are clear distinctions like you can see right now on the screen. AI, for instance, cannot express love. AI can simulate love. AI can pretend to love you. It can say, I love you, but does it love you? Does it have the feelings? AI cannot think like we do. It can only simulate most of these emotions. AI cannot think creatively. AI cannot provide solutions to cognitive problems. It cannot think creatively like humans. The ability I have to bring an idea to a unique problem in my village, AI will be unable to do that. I also remember that in one of my videos on my YouTube channel, I had explained that the marking schemes of lecturers, AI can provide students with answers that are smarter and more brilliant than those answers in the marking schemes. That's to tell you how smart AI can be in generating great ideas. But ask AI to bring that idea to solve a peculiar problem in your village. AI may not, especially currently, to be able to solve such kind of problems. And that is where humans come in. And that's what the collaboration is about. See, as humans, we are blessed by our Creator. And at the moment, there is no AI that can think and solve problems the way that we do. We have an edge over this tool, and this is the time that we must come out and see how to make this tool an enabler, something that augments everything that we do. It should make life better for us than making it bitter for us. I know I've spent so much time talking about this in this video, but the big point I'm trying to make here is AI has not come to play. AI has come to stay. And the earlier we start thinking about how to live peacefully side by side with AI, with the government setting regulations and standards for the development and usage of AI, the better for each and every one of us. Fighting AI, resisting AI may not be the best approach. As librarians, for example, it is my priority, it is my calling to stand in the gap, in the midst of a chaos. And that is why this weekend, a book my wife and I wrote will be published and made available on Amazon. This work of ours prescribes strong and great tools that you can use to improve your work, your research, and productivity. We are not stopping there. Together with other seasoned professionals, I will be organizing a 2-day artificial intelligence masterclass in work and research productivity. This event is going to be held in collaboration with Admiralty University of Nigeria Library, the Information Technology section of the Nigerian Library Association, and a lot of other tech initiatives. Register now and let's have conversations like this. Register now and let's talk about ways, ethical ways that we can use AI and ethical ways or standards for development of AI technology. So if I have blessed your life with this video, if this video you find it inspiring, if you have opinions you want to share about the thoughts I have communicated, please share those thoughts in the comment section and do well to register for AI Masterclass. Alright, did I just leave without asking you to subscribe? Please subscribe to this channel. Put a like on this video, share it with someone, and let me know what you think. I think this is the best time I should keep disclaiming that I am just passionate about AI. I'm passionate about technology. My name is Sylvester, and I'm the digital librarian. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.